Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon, my dear Chintos. Good afternoon, good afternoon. How's it going for you all? Hope you are doing great. Hope your preparation is going great. Okay, wow. So, hi, Pokiri. Hi, da Pokiri. Name Pokiri. Yes. Hi. Okay, wow. How's it going for you all? Yes, great. So இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போற சாப்டர் வந்து definite and indefinite integration டா. என்னது? Indefinite and definite integration. So as far as advanced concerns, this is going to be very important டா. Okay வா? As far as advanced concerns, this is going to be ரொம்ப important. Okay வா? That's great. So I don't see many people join today. Yes. Hi Ranesh. Hi, good afternoon. Good to see you here, da. எப்படி போயிட்டு இருக்கு preparation எப்படி போயிட்டு இருக்கு? Make it fast. If you are ready for the session, chat box ல Chintu 5 ன்னு போடுங்கடா. நீங்க ரெடினா நான் ரெடி. எப்பவுமே நான் ரெடி. நீங்க ரெடியா? நீங்க தயாரா இருக்கீங்களா இல்லையா? சொல்லு. நான் தயாரா இருக்கேடா. நீங்க தயாரா? Yes. That's great. Hi Sachin. Hi Vijayalakshmi. Hi. Hello everyone. Vanakkam. That's great. Good to see you guys. Good to see you. So good to see the dedication and good to see the temperament you are showing in this process. Very happy for you all da. Okay. Romba santoshama irukida. That's great. Yes. Sushinder. Hi Sushinder. Hi man. Hi. Okay. And before we start, I want every one of you to know one thing da. So then see, so as usually every time I say, okay, there is a 90% of the scholarship test da. Okay va, idukku neenga keela irukka description or link irukunda, adu click pannittu register pannukonga and then go to the nearby center and try to get this 90% scholarship. Right? So this is for all your juniors da. So as a senior, ungaloda responsibility enna ungaloda junior ku refer pannanum. Okay va? So this is going to be really very important da. So nee enna panna theriyuma ore or chinna help. So make sure that you are subscribing the channel without forgetting it. Okay, don't forget to subscribe the channel da. This is very important. This is a small gift I could ever ask to my Chintus. Okay va? Yes. Please மறக்காம உங்க friends கிட்ட ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கடா. அவங்களுக்கு கூப்பிட்டு வாங்கடா. So we'll study together and make it happen da. And very good to see that CBSE math 98 out of 100 Sushinder. Wow. Congratulations da. Proud of you my boy. Great. Yes. Namaskar Vijayalakshmi. Fine Japin Dev hi da. Yes. Okay. Yes. Now let's get into the show without any delay. Let's get into the show da. Okay va? So first let us try to have a discussion on indefinite integration da. Adukapram definite integration paathukalam. Okay va? So questions will be like வா மாதிரி இருக்குடா. Okay va? நீ வந்து நல்லாவே ஒரு நோட்புக் முன்னாடி வச்சிட்டு டப்பா டப் ஃபட்டாஃபட் நீங்க டக்காட்டக் ஃபட்டாஃபட் மாதிரி. So you need to solve alongside. Okay va? Yes. Right. So the first question enna, integral of this is equal to this, then 8 lambda plus. Sir indha mari question you will use paakradhukku romba simple ah irukku sir. Indha mari question they will ask or what? 100% they will ask. Why will not they? Definitely they will ask. Tell me, I want everyone of you to respond in the chat box. Tell me eppadi pandrathu. How do we go for this question? How do we proceed for this question? Ready? Okay va? So both sides we have, see right hand side enakku 4/3 irukida. 4/3 venuna enna pananum? 4/3 venuna I just do one thing. See right hand side la enna pananum? I'll take x common from this. If I take x common, x to the power of 5 plus x square into x cube plus 2 whole to the power of 1/3. Wow, super sir. ஓகேவா? இப்போ என்ன சார் பண்றது? இப்போ let me write this x to the power of 5 x square as it is dot into this x I am writing it as x cube into 1 by 3. ஓகேவா? இப்படி எழுதலாமா? Can we write like this guys? This x can be written as x cube to the power of 1 by 3 dot into. இப்போ பாரு, if I multiply this fellow inside என்ன ஆயிரும்? x to the power of 5. இந்த ஐடியா கண்டிப்பா வரணும்டா. If you are getting this idea, that's it. You are gonna rock it. After this, very simple. Anybody can do this. Anybody can do this. Getting this idea is what very important. So, உங்களுக்கு எப்படி idea வந்துச்சுன்னா right hand side 4 by 3 இருக்குடா. So 4 by 3 means what? 1 by 3 பண்ணா 1 by 3 plus 1 4 by 3. I mean something to the power of 1 by 3 ஓட integration என்னடா? X to the power of 1 by 3 ஓட integration என்ன? X to the power of 1 by 3 plus 1 divided by 1 by 3 plus 1. அப்போ 4 by 3 கொண்டு வரலாம் இல்லையா? அந்த 4 by 3 வாங்குறதுக்கு we need to bring what? X cube. See, I mean, to bring that 4 by 3, we just need to have 1 by 3 over here. So for that, what I am doing, this x to the power of 3 whole to the power of 1 by 3 I am creating from this x. Okay, wow. So very easy. Yes or no? Yes, definitely. I know my students da. Why da? இப்படி பண்றீங்க. என்னடா சிண்டு? பாரு. இப்போ put x cube put x to the power of 6 plus 2x cube is equal to t cube sir. இப்படி பண்ணா என்ன சார் பாரு, 6x to the power of 5 plus 6x square is equal to 3t square into dt. இங்க கண்டிப்பா dx வரும். ஓகேவா? dt by dx. இங்க பாரு 6 காமன் எடுக்கலாமா? Can we take 6 common? So into dx. So 3t square. இங்க 6 common means 2's. ஓகேவா? இங்க பாரு 3t square into dt. Vare va chintu. Yes sir. Easy ra babu. Varna va. Pari. So in the place lena, this is another star equation. Yes sir or chintu. Vare va. Everybody please be alert. That's great. So now tell me here, integral. What is this da? This into dx enna 3 by 2. In fact 3 by 2 will write outside. 3 by 2 integral enna pari. T square in the place of t cube is t, so t cube dt. So t cube integration என்னடா? t to the power of 4 by 4 plus c. புரியுதா? After this very simple டா, 3 by 8 அவ்வளவுதான். So 3 by 8 t என்ன? x to the power of 6 plus 2x cube whole to the power of 1 by 3. Yes or no? Yes or no? Whole to the power of 4. So 4 by 3. This is 4 by 3. 4 by 3 vandircha. Check. Now compare with what? Lambda into x to the power of 6 plus k into x cube to the power of 4 by 3. So tell me here, lambda is equal to 3 by 8 and k value 2. That's it. So we need what? 8 lambda na 3 here and k value 2. So 8 lambda plus k is equal to what? 3 plus 2, which is 5. Very simple ra. Very simple ra. Chintu. Are you getting the point or not ra? Chintu. Very good sir. Hi. Abraham. Hi man. Hi. Sir, 3 cancel right. Enga question there 3 cancel agadu na pari. Everything is correct only pari. Is that clear with everyone? Guys? 8 lambda plus k is equal to 3 engada. Oh, I made some mistake enada. Where 3 cancelled out? I made some mistake. 3 1s 3 2s 3 by 2 t square. Where 3 cancelled? I made some mistake. That 1 by 8 yes. 3 1s 3 2s 3 1s 3 2s. So 1 by 2 here, not 3 by 2. I got it, Rashitu. Thank you for reminding. Appo இது 1 by 8. இது 1 by 8 na இது 1 கரெக்ட்டா? இது 1. அப்போ இது என்ன சார்? 1 plus 2. Okay? Yes. இது 1. So 1 plus 2 என்ன சார்? 1 plus 2 வந்து 3 சார். 3 is the answer. That's it Rachitu. Any doubts? Yes. 3 is the answer. Yes, Harshita, very good. Yes, Ashwini, thank you so much. You all are very alert. You are being alert now. Very happy for you all. So 3 is the answer. Yes, 3 is the answer. Next, everybody should do this. Now, first question number easier is this, sir. In the question file. Mass. Mama, mass Mari question. Ready. In substitution step, you forgot to cancel 3 and 6. So she is a done question. That is done direction 2. In the question, how do we go further? How do we proceed with this question? I want everyone of you to respond. Tell me, how do you proceed? Are you all able to understand? Sir, in the step, left side last before step. Ashwin, yes. I have done that, Ashwin. Please check. Okay, wow. Sir, here we have something very important. F of x by f dash of x, right? F dash of x I have. F dash of x. So how do we start this? Can you all see this? Yes, sir. Sir, cross multiply panna e power of x into f dash of x is equal to 2x. Is equal to 2x. Yes or no, tell me? Is equal to 2x. Sir, ipo enakku or idea irukku sir. If we integrate on both sides, what happens? Will be integrating on both sides. Idenada f of x. E power of x and f dash of x and f of x dana. Eppadi sir? Sir, if f of x is equal to t edukalama. If I put f of x is equal to t, what I am going to tell me? Sir, cross multiplying, then differentiate. Yes, very good, Vijay Lakshmi. Very good. Super ma, super. Yes. Idenada tell me. E power of here you put f of x is equal to t. Basically, this is e power of f of x, right? Then e power of f of x. Okay, why then e power of f of x? Okay, why e power of f of x? So put f of x is equal to t. Then f dash of x into dx is equal to what? dt. Inga kandipa dx irukunda. This 2x, this dx, and 2 into x into dx. Okay, wow, f of x is equal to t. F of x and dt, right? So now e power of t dt is equal to 2x square by 2. So 2 cancel plus c. So tell me here, integral of t, e power of t and e power of t one, t and f of x. Okay, wow, x square plus c. Hope you people are getting the point. If you want to very good. Now f of x is, what is f of x? F of x is equal to what, sir? F of x is equal to ln of x square plus c. Arey Chintu, very good Chintu. Purida? Yes or no? Sir, only x is equal to possible, sir. So number of solutions is equal to 1. No array, pari. Nalla pari. So guys, what is f dash of x? Tell me here. Now what is f dash of x? Ln x into 2x. This is my f dash of x. Everybody look at the board. This is f of x and f dash of x. Yes or no to me? F dash of x is f of x. So now what I got here basically, f dash of 1 is equal to 1. So f dash of 1 is equal to 1 means what? F dash of 1 is equal to 1 given. So f dash of 1 means what? So 1 is equal to 2 by 1 plus c. So 1 plus c is equal to 2. C is equal to 1. I am getting c value as 1. C value 1. So f of x is now. So ln of x square plus 1. Wow. So f dash of x is what now? Tell me. F dash of x is what? 2x by x square plus 1. Wow. So now equating these two. So what they have given? Tell me here. Number of solutions of this. F dash of x is equal to f of x. F dash of x is what now? 2x divided by x square plus 1 is equal to ln of x square plus 1. Okay. Number of solutions you need to find out. Number of solutions how do you find out? Tell me. First I'll do one thing. The ln of x square plus 1 graph I'll draw. Let me draw the graph. I'll do it smartly. See, ln of x square plus 1 graph enna paru. This x is equal to 0. 0 pota ln 1 0. Guys, 0 ke 0 da varunda. 0, 0. This graph will pass through 0, 0. Definitely, this graph I am drawing first. Okay, 0, 0. So 1 pota 11 to it will be somewhere here. Okay, இப்படியே போயிட்டு இருக்குடா, இப்படியே போயிட்டு இருக்கு. Next, okay, left side பாரு, -1 போட்டா same story. This is symmetric about y-axis. Symmetric about y-axis. Yes sir, what is this graph? This is basically ln of x square plus 1 graph. Okay, wow. Are you all getting the point or not? Tell me. Yes, yes, yes. 2x by x square plus 1. Now 2x by x square plus 1 graph எப்படி இருக்கும்டா? How 2x by x square plus 1 graph? X value 0 போட்டா 0 by 1 is 0. Okay, 0 by 1 is 0. Very good, sir. 0 by 1 is 0. Okay, everybody look at the board. 0 by, now x value 1 pota, if I put x value 1, 2 by 2, which is 1. So this will pass through 1 comma 1 da. X is equal to 1 ku 1 comma 1 somewhere it will be here. Okay, and x is equal to 2 ku, see if I put x is equal to 1, what is y value? 1. Guys, I am solving the Ivrola graph is it? Ivrola graph I am drawing now. Okay, wow. Graph of this is this, graph of this how it will be. X is equal to 1 pota 1 comma 1, it will be somewhere, it will be coming at 1 comma 1. Yes or no? Yes sir, yes sir, very good, very good. 1 comma 1 it will be giving me. So let us do one thing. So 1 comma 1 it will be somewhere here. 0 means 1 will be somewhere here. This 1, the 1 comma 1 will be somewhere here. This 1 comma 1. Correct or not? This 1 comma 1. Okay, if I put x is equal to 2, x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2 pota, x is equal to 2 pota, y is equal to what? X is equal to 2 pota 4 by 5. So 4 by 5. 4 by 5 means 0.8. It will reduce, it will decrease now. It will decrease, sorry. It is decreasing. Now it is something like this. This is the graph of what the 2x by x square plus 1. Yes or no? This is, look at the board everyone guys. The maximum it will reach at 1 comma 1 da. 1 comma 1 comma x is equal to 2 pota 4 by 5 and 4 by 5 means decreases. X is equal to 3 poti pare 6 by 10. 0.6. It will with 1 comma 1 idana 0.8 here. 0.6 here, it will be eventually reducing here. So ultimately this is intersecting at 2 points. Ultimately it is intersecting at 2 points. Either point and either point. So point of intersection, what is the answer now? Answer is basically 2. Answer is 2. Can you all see this? Answer is 2 da. Yes or no? 4 by 5, 3 comma 3 by 5 pari. Yes or no guys? Look at the board. Next x value 3 pota, y value what I am getting, tell me. X value 3 pota pari 6 by 10. 6 by 10 means 3 by 5. Yes or no? So if I plot all this, the graph will be like this, and then if I put lesser than 1, 0 to 0 point, 0 to 1 nadula, any value you take and put it, it will be coming like this. Okay va? And sir, உங்களுக்கு எப்படி தெரியும் இப்படி கீழ வந்துச்சுனா பாரு, -1 போட்டா என்ன வரும்? You will understand. -2 by 2, -1 பாரு, -1 க்கு -1 இருக்கும். இது -1, -1 க்கு கீழ இருக்கும். Then -2 க்கு it will be going even down. Okay va? Are you getting the point? The graph will be eventually going downwards. But anyway, this is not intersecting here. The point of it is how many points it is intersecting at? How many points it is intersecting at? Tell me. How many points it is intersecting at? Guys, let me copy this for safer side. This one. I want to try. Look. Okay. Oh my God. I know this will happen. I know this will happen, something like this. Okay. So I have, that is why I have this. Okay. Yes. Anyway. Hope you people are getting. The answer is 2. Answer is 2. Are you all getting the point? Answer is 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Everyone. 2 is the answer. Yes. We'll move forward. We'll go forward. So let me delete this slide. Okay. Yes. Check. Answer is 2. Very simple. Everybody should do this. Another beautiful question. Another beautiful question. Another beautiful question. Root sin 50x. Root sin 50x into square root of sin 20x is equal to what? Sin ax into sin bx to the power of p plus c by a. A, b both are natural numbers. Then the value of a plus b plus p. A, b plus a plus b plus p enna. These are the options. First, I'll do one thing. First, you need to understand one point here, guys. How do I start here? Look at the board. 50 irukku 20 irukra. Inga 50 irukku 20 irukku. So can I bring this into sin 20 plus 30? Sin 20x sin 20x plus 30x. Okay, into square root of sin 20x into dx in fact. Okay, wow. Sin a plus b formula apply panna sin a cos b, sin a cos b plus cos a sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Okay, into square root of sin 20x into dx. Now, this entire thing into this entire thing into this. Correct? If we multiply, if we multiply, what advantage? So, integral of sin 20x into square root of, wait. Cos 30x into square root of sin 20x dx plus integral of cos 20x into sin 30x into square root of sin 20x dx. Okay, guys. Now we need to take this as two parts. Either part. Take this as integral number 1. Take this as integral number 2. Is integral number 1, integral number 2. So you need to solve integral 1 and integral 2 now. Yes or no? Integral 1 and integral 2 solve pannu. Eppadi solve pandrathu? How do we solve this? Taking simple cos 20x something as t. Yes or no? So square root of sin 20x into cos 20x we have now. So let us do one thing. Let us solve I1. Let us solve I1 or I2. Sin 20x is equal to t square. Let us solve I1. Let us solve I1. Let's solve I1. Solving I1. So I1 is what here? Sin 20x into cos 30x into square root of sin 20x dx. How do we proceed here? This proceed pandradhukku put this as t. Okay, sin 20x as t square. No. How do you solve that? Root sin 20x into cos 20x is equal to root t. Sin 20x is equal to t. If I take what I am going to get? Yes. Put sin 20x is equal to t. Yes. Put sin 20x is equal to t. Then cos 30x we have done. Sin 20x into cos. Guys, is this 20 or cos? Sin A cos B. Did I write it correctly, guys? Can you please check? Did I write everything correctly? You write 30 plus 20, it will be easy. Da. If you write 30 plus 20, it will be easy, I think. I think if you write 30 plus 20 here, 30x is 30x. Whatever nimsham. Then otherwise, you know, there is a disturbance here. If you do this, what I'm going to write is, look at the board, everyone. Arey yaar, whatever nimsham now. Why this is? Let me write this as sine 30x plus 20x. For that matter, what I'm going to get is sine A, sine 30x plus 20x, can I write? Yes. In that case, it will match sine A cos B. Okay. Oh my God, whatever nimsham. This is not working sometimes. Okay, let me erase everything again. I think I should write better. Will write everything again. Whatever nimsham. This delete option is not coming again and again. Okay. Anyway, let me write here. Let me write fastly. Look at the board, everyone. Sine A cos B, sine A cos B plus cos A sine B into square root of sine 20x dx. Okay? Yes or no? Now we'll cross multiply. I mean, we'll multiply this sine 30x into cos 20x dx into square root of sine 20x dx plus cos 30x sine 20x into sine 20x. Okay, so now we will take this as I1 and let us take this as I2. Okay, I'm solving I1 now. So solving I1. I1 solve pandradhukku sine 30x into cos 20x into square root of sine 20x dx. Okay, put now sine 20x as t, it makes sense because if you have a derivative we can bring in terms of cos. Okay, so idanna cos 20x dx is equal to dt. Now look at the board, everyone. So integral of what? Integral of sine 30x as it is. Integral of sine 30x. So and cos 20x into root sine 20x dx. Tell me, idenna dt, idenna root t. Yes or no? People are saying something. Sir, advanced mind comma vechittu edukala tips solunga sir. Mind comma vechikkenuma. Neenga please daily meditate பண்றாரே. Okay guys, now we'll do one thing. It is solve பண்றதுக்காகவே what I am doing basically, இது by parts I'm applying here. Yeah, I'm applying by parts. Here I'm applying by parts. By parts apply பண்ணா you will get an idea. Check. By parts apply பண்ணணும். By parts apply பண்றதுக்கு look, I have an idea. இதனா first function, this second. First function will take. Which is first function? Which is second function here? Which is first function? Which is second function? Okay, wow. Sir, let me take this as second function, sir. Let me take this as the first function. Let me take this as second function, and this guy let me take it as what? This guy let me take it as a first function. So by parts apply பண்றதுக்கு என்ன வரணும்? First function showcase as it is into integral of this. Integral of this what? Integral of this what? Integral of this is what? If you put, okay, if you put this guy as t, I am getting this as what? So integral of this is what basically t root t into dt. Root t into dt. Yes or no? Root t into dt. Yes or no? Am I doing correctly? Am I doing correctly? Check. Sir, what do you think CBSE unfair checking? Appadina kadayadu. Please focus here. Sin 20x I took d, cos 20x into into 20 will come. Into 20 will come here. Listen the class. Okay. So by parts I'm applying here. So okay, first function. Second, let us do here. Let us do this. இது சால்வ் பண்றதுக்கு செகண்ட் ஃபங்க்ஷன் சால்வ் பண்றதுக்கு என்ன integral of cos 20x into cos 20x into square root of sin 20x. Can you all see the board? Oh my god, you can't see this, right? Okay, let me write here. Put sin 20x is equal to d, cos 20x into dx is equal to dt. Okay, sin 20x into 20 na, into 20, very important. Cos 20x dx is equal to dt by 20 here. Correct? Ipo correct. Ipo pare. Ipo integral of this is going to be what, tell me? Okay, so integral, this is showcase as it is. Integral of this guy is what? Integral of this guy is what will be? Integral of this guy is basically 1 by 20, which is dt by 20, dt by 20 into root t, dt by 20 into root t. Yes or no? Minus integral of what? Sin 30x, which is cos 30x into 30. Okay, into again what? Root t by 20 into dt. Okay, yes or no? Clear or not? Tell me. I think there is a clumsy here. Into dt. Tell me. dt by 20. Did you all understand this? Sir, what? Sir, can we differentiate both sides and proceed? Yes, you can do that as well. No problem. Differentiate on both sides. Do it. No problem. Differentiate panna, you will get in terms of I1 and I2. Sin 30x, I will be getting what? Root t dt. Integration of that is what? Basically root t into dt by 20. Root t into dt by 20. In the integral of this guy is what? Integral of cos 20x into sin 20x. This eraser all together. Okay, your integration nada, basically root t by 20 into dt. Correct? Yes or no? Yes or no? This integrate panna. This integrate panna enna varum? 1 by 20 t to the power of 3 by 2, 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. Yes or no? So 1 by 30 will come. 1 by 30, 2 ones, 2 tens. So 1 by 30. So t to the power of 3 by 2 by 30. T to the power of 3 by 2 by 30 will come. Yes or no? Yes. Now this will be helping me here. This integration will be helping me in solving what? This I1. So I1, you are getting I1, right? You are getting I1, right? Yes. So I1 is what? Sin 30x into sin 20x. So t, and what is t here? Put it back here. What is t? T means what? Sin 20x to the power of 3 by 2 by 30. Okay, wow. So this is what the integration of, okay, this is what the integration of this guy. So now let us go. This is my star equation. So from the star equation, let us apply by parts. So from the star equation, first function as it is. What the first function is? What? Sin 30x as it is into what? Integration of this. What do you got? Sin 20x to the power of 3 by 2 by 30 3 by 2 by 30. Okay, so minus integral of sin 20x, differentiation is what, cos 30x into 30 into what, integral of that guy again same inside the bracket. Wow, everybody look at the border, into dx. Now with integrate part, isn't it looking like again something? See, let me take 1 by 3 outside, 1 by 30 outside. Yes or no, Debbie? Correct or not? Yes. Now you can cancel 30 here. In the 30 இப்படி cancel பண்ணிக்கலாம். அப்படி cancel பண்ணா என்ன வரும்? sin x sin 30x into sin 20x to the power of 3 by 2 divided by 30 minus yes, what is this now? How this is going to look like? Tell me how this is looking like. Sin 20x to the power of 3 by 2 into dx. Okay, what is this? This is basically I. Let us take this as I. Let me take this fully as what, I is equal to this I1 plus I2, right? 20x, 30x, 20x, root 20x, 30x. How do you write this, guys? Tell me. This is basically I2 only, check. This is basically I2 only, check. This I2 मारे जाएगी एपड़ी sir. अरे sin 20x all to the power of 3 by 2 can be written as sin 20x into square root of sin 20x. पूरी ज़्यादा root 3 by 2 can be written as 20x into root. So now this in the place ले लेला. So this is I2 only. Yes or no? Correct? Okay. What we were doing here, basically we were doing I1 na. Oh wait. I1 we were doing. This is I1 basically. I1 only we are doing, right? I1. So I1 plus I2 है ना, I1 plus I2 है ना, sin 30x into sin 20x to the power of 3 by 2. Okay, sin 20x to the power of 3 by 2 divided by 30 plus c. पूरी जाओ. I1 plus I2 we got like this. Yes or no? Yes sir. I1 plus I2 we got it. Check, we wanted I1 plus I2 only. What I wanted here, I1 plus I2 wanted. That is equal I, check. This is equal to what, basic I1 plus I2 is equal to I. This is my requirement. This is another requirement. Now we need to compare with the right hand side part. They have given it as what? Sin AX into sin BX to the power of P. Sin AX into sin BX to the power of P divided by A plus C. A and now compare A value 30, B value 20 da, and P value 3 by 2. So they are asking us to find out what da? A plus B plus P. So A plus B plus P is equal to what? 30 plus 20 plus 3 by 2, 50. So 50 means 100. 103 by 2. I'm getting 103 by 2. 103 by 2 I'm getting. 103 by 2 matching with options or not, check? Yes, C for Chintu Wala is the right answer. C for Chintu is the right answer. Tell me guys, did you all understand or not? I is equal to I1 plus I2 da. So here we need to be careful here. I mean here. So I'm doing I1 basically first. First let me solve I1. I1 solve பண்றதப்போ நீங்க கொஞ்சம் கேர்ஃபுல்லா கால்குலேட் பண்ணனும். sin 20x I'm taking it as what da? T here. Because see, I1 I'm doing by pi parts. This is my first function and second function, right? By parts I'm applying. The first function, second function. By parts I'm applying. By part, which is I1, right? By parts apply panna. So what I'm getting, first function, see, for that we need integration of this. I'm integrating this first, because in by parts integration of this will come, right? This is the second function. So by using by parts I'm doing this. I1 is equal to this. Okay, so I1 or answer இப்படி வந்துருச்சுடா. So I1 plus I2 என்ன, இது is equal, இது கொடுத்திருக்காங்கடா. A value 30, B value 20, P value 3 by 2. Yes. Okay, next question. See, it is matching. Everybody do this. F of x is a polynomial function such that f of x is a polynomial function such that f of x plus f dash of x plus f dash of okay. something is missing here, I think. F of x is a polynomial function. F of x plus f double dash of x, f triple dash of x. Okay, here guys, this is typing mistake da. This one f dash of x, f double dash of x, f double dash of x, f triple dash of x, f double dash of x is f double dash of x. Double dash, triple dash. Okay, double dash, triple dash. And g of x is this, g of 1 is this. Then okay, everybody look at the board. Modulus of g of e, adiki step function enna, adiki step function enna. Yes or no? Modulus of g of e, adiki step function enna. Are you getting the point or not? Tell me. Okay, yes. First one, see, it is a polynomial function such that this is equal to cubic now. So this is equal to cubic na. This is basically cubic. Sir, cubic na. Ipo cubic la f dash of x irukku, f double dash of x irukku, f double dash of x irukku. So here observation eduthu. What is observation here? One observation. And the observation is f of x is what being? F of x is being, f of x is a cubic polynomial. F of x be a cubic polynomial with the leading coefficient 1. With the leading coefficient. Okay, with the leading coefficient. Sir, yes. Look at the board. With the leading coefficient. Sir, how do you say that f of x is a cubic polynomial here? F of x is a polynomial function கொடுத்திருக்காங்கடா, but உங்களுக்கு எப்படி தெரியும் sir f of x is the cubic polynomial ani? How do you say that f of x is cubic polynomial now? Tell me. The reason behind that is, for example, f of x வந்து cubic polynomial, let's say. Cubic polynomial differentiate panna, first order derivative enna quadratic, second order derivative enna linear, third order derivative enna constant. Pari cubic, f of x is a cubic, you are taking cubic plus, if I differentiate for the first step, first order derivative enna quadratic, then linear, third order differentiation linear, first order differentiation cubic as it is, first order derivative quadratic, second order derivative linear, third order derivative in a constant. Third order derivative in a constant is equal to fully cubic or not? This is fully cubic or not? Cubic plus quadratic plus one linear plus constant fully or cubic polynomial or not? That's why I told you that f of x should be a cubic polynomial. Purida? Yes or no? Yes. F of x should be what? A cubic polynomial. Sir, so now what is the next move, sir? What is the next move? This should be a cubic polynomial. Fine, very good, sir. Nalla irukku. But now g of x pathina, g of x enna irukku, g of x vandu ipdi irukida. So g of x, f of x, how do you write? Tell me. Inga f of x irukku. F of x can be written as what? x cube minus this entire thing I am shifting to the right hand side. So x cube minus f dash of x plus f double dash of x plus f triple dash of x divided by x cube dx. Okay, now g of x, how do I write? Tell me. X cube by x cube is 1 into dx minus idi f dash of x plus f double dash of x plus f triple dash of x divided by x cube. X cube na enna sir? Tiripi x cube place you write as it is. F of x plus f dash of x plus f double dash of x plus f triple dash of x into dx. Super. Yes sir. Now we need to understand one point. Let me erase this. I hope you understood this. To make you understand, I just wrote this all. Okay, this is not required actually. Okay, so hope you understood. Cubic in the matter we can do all that. Otherwise, we will not be able to do it. Okay, so sorry to say this, but okay, Kishore, it is fine, Kishore. If you then don't understand, you can leave, Kishore, no problem. Okay, so everybody look at the board, guys. Advanced mains preparation strong in the matter. See, if I say something, if I detail everything, write all the concepts, then what happens? It will be taking so much of time. So look at the board, everyone. You need to put this as t. Put this as t now. You wrote integration and now simple. You wrote integration simple or not? Tell me, guys. Integration of 1 into dx is x. Now, if I put this guy as t, you wrote a differentiation numerator. If I put this guy as t, you wrote a differentiation numerator. Tell me. Yes or no? Tell me. Kishore is saying something. Kishore, if you don't want to attend, you can leave, Kishore, no problem. Nobody is forcing you. Okay. If your mains preparation is not good, if you have not done well in the mains preparation, if you don't know the basic things, that is how it will be. Now, detail, if I explain everything, it will be taking so much of time. Okay. Yes. Yes, tell me next, what should we do? Tell me. If I take that as t, what happens? Take this as t. Look at the board. Let me solve this. Okay, take this as t means what happens to me? F of x plus f dash of x. F dash of x plus f double dash of x plus f triple dash of x is equal to t. Now tell me the f dash of x plus f double dash of x plus f triple dash of x plus f fourth dash of x into dx is equal to dt. Purida. Yes or no? Can we do this? Yes or no? Directly, yes, sir. Sir, now tell me, sir, I have one doubt. Now here, since it is a cubic polynomial, this should be 0 here. Why it is 0? Tell me. Why it is 0? Tell me, guys. I'll tell you that. Look at the board, everyone. So g of x is equal to integral of 1 into dx is x minus integral of this guy is what? Tell me. Is it t na? Is it na? F of f dash of x plus f double dash of x plus f triple dash of x into dx is equal to dt. Check. So integral of 1 by t dt. So g of x is equal to what? X minus ln of t. T na? Ln of t na? F of x plus f dash of x plus f double dash of x. Okay. Okay. F dash of x plus f double dash of x plus f triple dash of x. Okay, wow. This is what I am getting. X minus ln t basically. Ln t means what now? So 1 by t. So ln t plus c. So g of x is what will be now? G of x is equal to x minus this. I have one doubt, sir. Sir, g of 1 is equal to 1. G of 1 is equal to 1. So g of 1 is equal to 1 means what should I do here? Tell me. That's it. We got this answer. Guys, did you all understand why this has to be 0? Why this has to be 0? Tell me. Why this has to be 0? See, when I'm differentiating a cubic polynomial, quadratic, linear, constant differentiate panna fourth order differentiation 0 தான ஆயிரும். நான் சொல்றது புரியுதா? ஒரு cubic polynomial differentiate பண்ணா first quadratic வரும். Quadratic திருப்பி differentiate பண்ணா linear வரும். Linear திருப்பி differentiate பண்ணா constant வரும். Constant திருப்பி differentiate பண்ணா 0 வரும். So fourth place இது கண்டிப்பா 0 தான் இருக்கணும். So g of x should be what? 1 by t. So you can write this as chumma ln t. If you don't have space, let me write chumma ln t. Then ln t plus c. Now tell me. Now what I should do further? எனக்கு g of x, g of 1 is equal 1 கொடுத்திருக்காங்கடா. So t should be replaced with what? X simply. T should be replaced with what? Simply x. In terms of x only we can write. Yes or no? Yes, yes, yes. Huh. Tell me. So g of 1 is equal to, tell me, g of 1 is equal to what? 1. So g of 1 is equal to 1 given. So g of 1 is equal to what? 1 is, c value, what I am going to get? Tell me c value. 1 minus ln of this, or 1 plus. So ln t, see, ln t means what? Ln a plus ln b plus ln c. Okay, so can I write this as 3 times of ln x plus c? So 1 minus 3 ln 1 plus c. So 1 plus 1, c value I am getting 0. Okay, guys, ஒரே ஒரு நிமிஷம் தான். Okay, so I'm getting c value 0. C value 0 means what? C value 0 means what is g of x is going to be? G of x. This is star equation. So from the star equation, what I'm going to write, tell me? From the star equation, g of x is equal to x minus ln of t plus 0. Okay, ln of t plus 0. T means what? Again, I know that. I mean 3 ln x, in fact, 3 ln x. So instead of that, let me write here 3 ln x directly. Let me write this as 3 ln x directly. Okay, then 3 ln of x. 3 ln x plus c. It is star. Okay, wow. This plus c. C0 vandiruchida. So here in terms of x, we'll write 3 ln x. X minus 3 ln x plus 0. This is my g of x. This is my g of x. Okay, so this is my g of x. So now we need g of e basically. What I need here? We need modulus of g of e. Idhikku step. So tell me here, g of e means what? G of e. G of e is basically e minus 3 ln e. What a step? Idhikku mod edukanu. Okay, wow. E means what? 2.71. Yes or no? G of e means what? E minus ln e is 1 basically. Isn't it? Step of e minus 3. Idhikku mod. Okay, wow. Ln e is 1, e minus 2.7. So 2.7 means what? So e minus 3 mod, I can just bring this as what? Can I take minus common and I can write this as what? 3 minus e. 3 minus e because of the mod. So 0, I'm getting 0 is the answer. A na 3 minus 2.718. 0 point something. 0 point something, what step in na? 0. So 0 should be the answer. I'm getting 0 is the answer. I'm getting 0 as the answer. Yes or no? Yes. Arey, how people are saying how 3 ln x here, Bhagwan. Arey Chintu, இது எப்படி 3 ln, people are not understanding this. See, இது எப்படி 3 ln x வந்துருச்சு sir? Arey, everyone look at the board, everyone. இது என்னடா ln t ஆ கரெக்ட்டா? x minus ln t plus c. t plus ல என்ன எழுதணும்? இது எழுதணும். t plus இது என்ன? This entire thing is x cube தானா? x minus ln of this entire thing. That is x cube plus c. Okay, wow. So x 3 முன்னாடி வரும். So 3 ln x. புரியுதா? Did you get the point? This is t da. T means what? Tell me. 3 முன்னாடி வரும். T means what here basically? This entire thing is t here. T means x cube. 3 முன்னாடி வந்துருச்சுனா 3 ln x plus c. So this is your g of x. Okay, ba? I think you can't see the board right side, right? ஒரே ஒரு நிமிஷம் தான். Okay, I think this is clear now. Everybody's check. Everybody should check. Puridharadi x minus ln t plus c not t enna. This entire thing is t da. X cube. 3 munadi jump. Next. Okay. See 0 I am getting. 0 I am getting. Next question. This is another beautiful question da. Everybody should attempt this question. Let's see how many of you are going to do this. Let's see how many of you can do this. Quick. Tell me. Sir, how do we use symmetry to evaluate a definite integral when the integrand is not given or odd? Arey Abraham, out of the box question. The question solve pandra first. In the question please solve pandrathu. Let me see how many of you are doing this question. Guys, you have something to the power of 2 by 3m. So let me do one thing. Let me take x square common on the right left hand side part. So let us take x square common here. If I take x square common, what I am going to get? Tell me. X to the power of 9m plus 1 minus 1 now. Yes or no? Ha. Plus x to the power of 6m minus 1, x to the power of 3m minus 1. Check. So 2 minus 1, 1. Yes. Correct or not? Tell me. Are you all getting the point or not? Tell me. Yes. Is it purida? Yes. Sir, why are we doing that? I'll tell you now. Look at the positive one. What is the advantage of doing that? What is the advantage of doing that? You have something like this. Correct? So now do one thing. Let us do one thing. X square is, so now I'll do one thing. X square, I'll write it as x. 2 by m, right? 2 by m, right? I'll do one thing. 2 by m, how do I write? X square. Here x square can be written as what? Look at the bottom one. X square can I write it as 2 by 3m into 3m. Check. X square can be written as what? X to the power of 3 by x to the power of 3m to the power of 2 by 3m. X square can be written as this 100%. Yes or no? So now x to the power of 3m should be multiplied inside. Look at the body view. X to the power of m minus 1 plus x to the power of 6m minus 1 plus x to the power of 3m minus 1 into this x square can be written as what? X square can be written as what? X to the power of 3 by m, x to the power of 3m into 2x to the power of 6m, 3x to the power of 3m plus 6. Okay, over to the power of 2 by 3m. Now, solve the 3m I am writing 2 by 3m, 2 by 3m. Common power. Okay, this multiply pani pari. So, guys, those who have done means preparation properly, they will understand it faster. Those who have not done means preparation properly, those who are straight away coming to the class expecting I should understand everything now, it will be very difficult. Okay, so x to the power of 6m and 6x to the power of 3m. If you want me to write like this, we will not be able to solve any questions. Every step if you write like this, it will be difficult. Okay? Okay. So 2x to the power of 9m, we have this. Now we will do one thing. Now we should take something as t. What should I take it as t? Tell me. I'll take this guy as t. This t edaklama. Let us take this guy as t. If I take this as t, 2x to the power of 9m. Let me take this as t. Let me not write again one more stop. Then what is t means? T means what? Tell me. So 18x to the power of 9m minus 1. Pari, 9m minus 1 power laveno. 6m minus 1. Next, 18x to the power of 6m minus 1. 18x to the power of 3m minus 1 into what? dx is equal to dt. So tell me, can I take 18 common? If I take 18 common, what happens? X to the power of 9m minus 1 plus x to the power of 6m minus 1 plus x to the power of 3m minus 1 into dx is equal to dt by 18. dt and the 18 inga vandirichina dt by 18. Now look at the board, everyone. So okay, so Paril, so idanada, this can be written as what? This into dx. Here dx will be there obviously. Here dx will be there obviously. So now this into dx is what? dt by 18. Now 1 by 18 integral, what is this? T to the power of 2 by 3 dt. Check 1 by 18 as it is. Integration of 2 by 3. T to the power of 2 by 3. So 5 by 3. 5 by 3. So 3 by 5. So 3 by 5. So t to the power of 5 by 3. Yes or no? Clear? 2 by 3m. Oh god, wait. 2 by 3m, sorry. So 2 by 3m means what? 2 by 3m means we have to do like this. 1 by 18 as it is. So t to the power of 2 by 3m plus 1 divided by 2 by 3m plus 1 plus integration. Did you all get the point? Did you all get the point or not? Tell me. Clear now? Sir, t power 2 by 3m. Yes, m is missing. So dt by 18m, here m missing. M is missing here. So 18m will come here. 18m will come here. Everywhere m will come down. 18m. I'm taking m common. Yes, everywhere m will be there. M. Okay, wow. M will be there. So 18m I'm taking common. So here 18m will be there. So compare pari. This compare pannu. Okay, f of 0 is equal to 0 given na. F of 0 is equal to 0 given na. Enadi? F of 0 is equal to 0 given. What is the value of c then? F of 0 is equal to 0 means this full arm f of x only, right? This full arm f of x only. This is fully f of x. So f of 0 is equal to 0 given. So c is equal to 0 then. C is equal to 0. What is f of x is going to be? 1 by 18m t to the power of 2 by 3m. Be careful here. Konjam lengthy calculations will be there. Neenga neeta observe panni. You should focus. Neat observe panni, need to solve. Okay. This is what I got. F of x is this. Now f of 1 we want. We need f of 1. Okay, wow. F of 1 we need. So f of 1 means right hand side you can see, right? So f of 1, let me write here. Wait. F of 1 is what? So 1 by 18m. So 11 to the power of 11. Because they have given 11. 11 to the power of this. Check. 11 to the power of g of m. 11 to the power of g of m. Correct or not? G of m means what? 2 by 3m. This one. G of m. 11 to the power of 2 by 3m plus 1 divided by 2 by 3m plus 1 into 18. Hope you people are getting the point. There is no space. Please understand. Okay. This is f of 1. F of 1 is this. Okay. F of 1 is this. 1 by 18 as it is. This is the same. Okay. Wow. Yes or no? Is that clear, guys? The f of 1 pota pari 1 plus 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 how much da? We have t na? T means what here? This 2 plus 3 5. 5 plus 6 11. That's why 11 coming here. I'm writing directly. This f of x da babu. F of x na t na t you should replace again. So t place la 2x to the power of 9m plus 3x to the power of 6m 6x to the power of 3m. This full ave inge copy pannanum. Paste pannanum. So x value 1 pota you will get 11 here. That's why 11. Put it down. Yes or no? Yes, yes. So there is no space. Let me write here. Let me write here. Wait. Let me write in this red color dabba. Red color dabba. Arey you babu, look at the bottom. So f of 1 is what here? So ultimately you got f of 1 as what? Ultimately f of 1 is what? Ultimately f of 1 is equal to 11 to the power of 2 by 3m plus 1 by 18 into m into 2 by 3m plus 1 is equal to what they have given, 11 to the power of g of m by k with g of m. Actually there is a typing mistake da. There is a typing mistake idena. Okay, so this should be written as what? K into kmgm, basically here k into m into gm, k into m into gm. That is what the denominator is. That is what my denominator is. K into m into gm. Compare panipadi. So gm is this. Okay, so k value na 18. K value na 18. So they are asking us to find out what? M k g of m. Mk is 18 da. Mk is 18 avlada. Mk is 18, right? So 18 into 3 by 2m plus 1. 18 into 3. This solve panna varum. This is, you solve it. This one if you solve it, what I am going to get me? So 3 plus 2 by 3m, right? 2 by 3m, sorry, wait. Here I made a mistake now. G of m is 2 by 3m plus 1. So mk is what? Mk is basically 18 into 2 by 3m plus 1. 2 by 3m plus 1 means what? 2 plus 3m by 3m. Correct or not? Is 18m. 1 is 6. So 12 plus 18m I am getting. 12 plus 18. Option A for I am the path. Okay. So 12 plus 18m I am getting. Please check. Everything is so clumsy now. I want to write everything in one frame. That's why I just wrote everything together. 12 plus 18m is the right answer. Correct? Did you all get this point or not? Tell me. Random, see both sides compare panna eppadi varum da. Okay va? Yes. We'll go further. We'll go forward. See, A for Ahmedabad is matching. Next. This is also a wonderful question now. This is also a wonderful question. Can you all see the screen clearly? Nadula minus irki. Nadula minus. Wait. I'll just make it very clear. Nadula minus irki. Minus. Integral 0 to x. 0 to t. Okay, wow. Now can you all see that? Yes. This is square root. Okay. Yes. Now check. G of s whole square, g of s whole square. Inga dx irukku, inga dt irukku. Okay, so I think they have guys, did you all get the point or not? Tell me. ds we have dt minus dx, g of t minus g of x. Inga vandu ds. They have given it as x ra. This is s basically. Yes, ds. This ds with respect to s integrating. Okay, wow. Now hope the question is visible to you all. Okay, yes. T tending towards x, numerator by denominator da. Guys, very clearly that is basically what da. It's very clear that it is 0 by 0 form. It is very clear that 0 by 0 form. Sir, eppadi sir? How it is 0 by 0 form? Tell me. Guys, very clearly 0 by 0 form. I am applying LH rule. Eppadi 0 by 0 form, sir? How? Array t tending towards x da. Ipo x t plus x pota g of x minus g of x. G of x minus g of x na denominator 0. Okay, wow. Ipo t plus x pota 0 to x, 0 to x. Both functions oda, see both integrands oda limits are same. 0 to x integral, 0 to x integral 0. So 0 by 0 form. Ipo LHopital rule apply pannu. LHopital rule apply panna enna varum? LHopital rule apply panna enna varum? See, differentiation of this part enna varum? Differentiation of this part enna? Your limits are in terms of t. This should be what? Square root of 1 minus g of t basically. Here x is a variable, t is a function da. Okay, you are integrating, I mean you are differentiating with respect to what basically t. See here 0 to t irukku square root of 1 minus g of s whole square ds irukku. So the limits are in terms of t here and the t tending towards x here. Guys, whenever you write like this, look at the bottom one. Limit x tending towards 0 means what? This is a variable and this what? X. Okay, with respect to x you need to differentiate. So with respect to t you need to differentiate here. With respect to t differentiate panna square root of 1 minus g of t then or no? Obviously this will be 0. With respect to t means what? This is g of t. This is minus 0. This is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. Yes or no? Inga square irukku, obviously square varum. G of t whole square. G of t whole square, right? G of t whole square. G of t whole square. Right? What is this, sir? Basically, this is basically g of x. So g of x, when you need to write in terms of g of x. Check. G of x. Let me. Okay, g of x is what? Tell me. T plus x put on t plus x replace panna 1 minus g of x whole square divided by g of g dash of x. This is my g of x. This is my g of x. Now what I'll do is basically I'll just separate all the functions one side. So g dash of x into everything shift one side divided by square root of 1 minus g of x whole square is equal to 1. Looks like simple now. Integrating on both sides. If integrating on both sides, integrating on both sides with respect to x, with respect to x. This integrate பண்றதுக்கு put square root of 1 minus g of x whole square is equal to t. Can we put that as t or t square? Put it as t. So if you put this as t, 1 minus g of x whole square is equal to t square. Correct? 1 minus g of x whole square is equal to t square. Okay, looks crazy. Looks crazy. Yes. T square. Now differentiate this. Minus 2 times of g of x into g dash of x into dx is equal to 2t. 2 cancel. So minus g of x into g dash of x into dx is equal to t. This minus I'll shift this side. This minus I'll shift this side. This minus I'll shift here. Okay. So numerator enna irukku paru. Numerator enna g dash of x into gx, that is minus t divided by square root of this. which is t is equal to x plus c. This cancel. This cancel. Any doubts? Yes or no, guys? It obviously dt here. So minus t you will get here. Tell me. T cancel na. Minus t you will get. Minus t is equal to x plus c. So minus t na. What is t here? Square root of this. 1 minus g of x whole square is equal to x plus c. Correct or not? Check. This is what I am getting. Hope everybody understood this. Hi sir, I am a new student. Welcome Naveen. Naveen, don't spam Naveen. If you are spamming, you can leave the class. No problem. Why are you spamming, man? You posted one message that you are a new student. It is fine. Yela ipdi pandren. Don't spam it. Don't spam Naveen. Don't spam. Okay, you got this. So now what they have given, g of 1 by 2 is equal to root 3 by 2 they have given. So what I am going to do, listen the class. I am going to do something here. Listen the class. Given g of 1 by 2 is equal to what? Root 3 by 2. Can you all see this? Yes. So if I put over here, what I am going to get, tell me? Square root of 1 minus x value 1 by 2 podano. Okay. Appo 1 by 2 pota 1 by 2 whole square. So this 3 by 4 varunda is equal to 1 by 2 plus c. Then minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. So c value I am getting minus 1. I am getting c value minus 1. Check. So if c value is minus 1, let us take this is your star equation. So from the star equation, what is the g of x? What is g of x? Tell me. Minus square root of 1 minus, okay, is equal to x minus 1. Okay, so I'll write this as what? Square root of 1 minus g of x whole square is equal to 1 minus x. Yes or no, guys? 1 minus x. Yes, Naveen. Sir, JEE Advanced people kamida varuvanga sir 75% eligibility venumla. Appo enna pandrathu sir 65%. Abbo 65% ku reduce panna sollanuma. Appadina mudiyadada. First neenga focus pandra padida re. Okay. So now g of x is going to be what? Tell me. G of x is going to be what? From this g of x is what? Squaring on both sides. So 1 minus g of x whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Right? So 1 cancel. So minus g of x whole square is equal to what? X square minus 2x. Correct? So g of x will be equal to plus or minus square root of 2x minus x square. Okay, wow. Should we take plus or minus here? Tell me. Plus edukunva minus edukunva. Acha, plus edukunva minus edukunva. Tell me here. Should we take plus or minus? Tell me. So I will take plus. Why shouldn't we take minus? This is my g of x. Then g of 1 by 4 we want. G of 1 by 4 is what? So 1 by 2 here minus 1 by 16. Yes or no? So LCM enna? Can you all see the board? Yes. 16. So root 7 by 4. Root 7 by 4 I am getting. Root 7 by 4. B for balle is the right answer. Any doubts? Look at the board, everyone, guys. Root 7. Sir, why didn't you take minus here? Minus a edakkukodadna pari. Are see question enna kuduthirukanga pari. Obviously 0 to 1 to 0 to 1. 0 to 1 negative varakudadra. Negative edakakudadu. Positive da edakanu. In the function positive edakanu. That will never give negative values. Are 0 to 1 give enda kodu mind pari. So ninga 0 to 1 oda values pota ninga 0 to 1 la answer varanum. I mean 0 to 1 pota answer vandu positive la varum. So that is why negative vandu reject pananum. Any doubts? Tell me quickly. Guys, advanced question solve பண்றது, that integral calculus question solve பண்றது அவ்வளவு ஈஸி கிடையாது. ஓகே, calculations will be lengthy, ரொம்ப manipulation இருக்கும். ஓகேவா, every step will be கொஞ்சம் question பார்க்கிறதுக்கு ரொம்ப பயங்கரமா இருக்கு, பட் ரொம்ப ஈஸியான question. ஓகேவா, ஈஸி தான், பட் calculations will be கொஞ்சம் lengthy, tricky. நீங்க வந்து நல்ல கேர்ஃபுல்லா பண்ணா மட்டுக்கு you will be able to cross the line. Otherwise you will not be able to cross the line. Very simple. Okay, so with half of knowledge, if you are coming and joining the class, it will be different. It will be different, totally different. எதுமே புரியாது. Everything will be like different, everything will be like new. Okay, so you are done with the 12th and one student is asking, sir, teach everything from the basic. So we are not understanding. புரியாது. How will you understand? Definitely புரியாது. நீ வந்து நல்ல basics revise பண்ணி, all the formulas revise பண்ணி, all the concepts தெரியணும், mains level concept தெரிஞ்சா, this will be kind of easy for you. Okay, yes, we'll go forward now. Shall we go forward? Right, next, again another beautiful question. I1 is what? Basically this. I1 is basically this. I1 is basically this, and I2 is basically that. Guys, it's a beautiful question actually. Then I1 by I2 is what? Then I1 by I2 is what? I1 by I2 is what? 𝑉𝐴𝒐𝒒, tell me 𝑉𝐴𝒐𝒒. Very good, 𝑉𝐴𝒐𝒒. I'll start with I2 basically. I'll start with I2. How, sir? How to start with I2? I2 எப்படி integrate பண்றது? Apply by parts. By parts apply பண்ணிக்கலாமா? Guys, I'll start with I2 da. Look at the board everyone. Let me start with I2. I2 வந்து 0 to 1. Let me write this as 1 into. Okay. So how do we start this? So let me take this as the first function. Let me take this as the first function. Let me take this as a second function. Correct? Yes or no? Sir, இப்போ இது integrate பண்ணது first function showcase as it is. I2 is equal to first function என்ன showcase as it is. By parts I'm applying by parts. Integral of this, which is x, minus integral of 0 to 1. இதுக்கு 0 to 1. Okay, so இதனா x இல்ல, sorry, 50 into 1 minus x cube to the power of 49 minus 3x square. Okay, and into x 0 to 1. Okay, wow, 0 to 1 directly. So the integrate substitute பண்ண பாரு, minus okay, so 1 substitute பண்ணா 0 இருக்கு. So I2 என்ன, இது என்ன 0, this is fully 0, minus upper limit substitute பண்ணா 0, lower limit substitute பண்ணா I2. What I am going to get me? What is I2? Tell me, is that correct? Sir, is yes, Sarvesh. Yes ra Sarvesh. இது integrate பண்ணனும் சார், integrate பண்ணனும். இது integrate பண்ணனும். இது x, இது 0 to 1. இது integrate பண்ணனும். Tell me, how do we integrate this further? So cross multiply பண்ணிக்கலாமா? 50 into x, right? So 50 into x. I have one doubt, sir. Idena sir 50 here minus as it is, minus plus. Minus plus, correct? So minus plus. Otherwise I'll do one thing. Let me keep this minus as it is, 0 to 1. So minus 150. Minus 150, yeah. Minus 150. Look at the board, Chitu. 150 right here. The 150 as it is. Okay, why then x cube? 1 minus x cube to the power of 49. Let me do this. Now it is matching check. This eraser is suddenly stopped working. Okay, is that clear? இப்போ என்ன பண்ணனும்? Munadi minus 150 we should write. This is a constant. Let me write 150 front. So 0 to 1. 0 to 1. So 1 minus x cube to the power of 49. Guys, I'll do one thing. I'll add and subtract 1 here. I'll add and subtract 1. I'm adding and subtracting 1. Apdi add panna enna varum paru. You take this as, look at the body. You take this as one function. Look. Now this into this into this. Split pari pari. Super இப்படி இருக்கு. நல்லா இருக்கு. I2 is equal to minus 150. 0 to 1. 0 to 1. 1 minus x cube into 1 minus x cube to the power of 49. So 1 minus x cube to the power of 50. Plus 1 integral 0 to 1 1 minus x cube to the power of 50 into dx. That's it. Yes or no? Yes. Second integral missing. Enna second integral missing? Correct dana? Everything is correct. Oh, added one surprise. Here minus 1 na, here minus 1, sorry. Minus 1, here minus 1 rachittu. So minus 1 into this. Minus 1 into this. Now check. Now how it is looking like? Actually, something is missing here, guys. Here the power 49 is missing. Look at the board, everyone. Here power 49 is missing. Question the power 49 varno. Inga power enna 49. This is power 49. Idhukku power 49. Question la printing mistake, typing mistake pari. So I2 enna minus 150 as it is. What is this da? Isn't it looking like I2 again? I2 minus, this is I1. Check. Idanna I2, idanna I1. So I2 as it is minus 150 times of I2 plus 150 times of I1. Okay. So 151 times of I2 is equal to 150 times of I1. So I2 by I1 they are asking, or I1 by I2. I1 by I2 what a step function. So 150 by 151 I1 by I2 or I2 by I1. Okay. I1 by I2. I1 by I2 means what? 151 by 150. This step. Answer will be 1 point something, right? So 1. B for balle balle is the right answer. B for balle balle is the right answer. Very good. B for balle balle. Very good, Ashwin. Very good, Ashwin. Any doubts here? Super. I just started with I2. I2 and I1 I am bringing because I2 has the bigger power and the power can be reduced. That is why I started with I2 first. At the start panna I applied by parts apply panna kapram will be vandiruchla. So I2 laga ipdi I1 and I2 are hidden. So apdi solve panna I1 by I2 vandu. Indha mari question eppovume ipdi da start pananum. Indha mari question eppovume ipdi da pananum. Okay, next question. Check. B for balle balle matching. Again, this is one more wonderful question. Okay, another beautiful question. Try this. Another beautiful question. Try this. Okay. Guys, this is another wonderful question. You can try this. You can try this question. This is super question. Super question. Option A will come for this. This option A will come. So wonderful question. Limit x n tending towards infinity, right? Limit n tending towards infinity given. Let me write this. N2 to n 1 divided by f inverse of x whole cube plus the f inverse of x only because of the mod. Because of the mod, let me take it as positive. Okay, limit n tending towards infinity. I'll give a hint, you need to try this down. I'll give a hint, you need to try this. Okay, so let us take f inverse of x. F inverse of x is equal to t. Then f of t is equal to x. F of t is equal to what? X. So differentiate on both sides. If I differentiate this, what I'm going to get? F dash of t into dt is equal to dx. Correct? So, okay. So, f dash of t into dt is equal to dx. Now, how do I go further? Integral n into 2n irukida. Okay, wow. So, guys, here x is basically what? X is basically f of t. X is basically what? F of t. Very good, Rohit. Very good, very good. Okay, so tell me here. Now, x let me write it as f of t. F of t. F of t means what? F of t can be written as what? X cube. F of x is this. F of t will be what? F of t, I can write in terms of x also. X cube minus x square plus x. Can I write like this? Or where, sir? F of t means what basically? F of t in terms of t we should write t and now. So t cube minus t square plus t. Sir, when x is this, limits will be what? In terms of n is going to be what will be? Now n is going to be what will be? T cube minus t square plus t. Correct? Yes or no? Then 2n is going to be what? 2n is also going to be something in terms of t only. Okay, 2 times of that. Right? Sir, I have one doubt. F inverse of x is equal to t, you took. F of t is equal to x, you took. But limits are from n to 2n. So, when the function is in terms of x, these are the limits. When the function is converting in terms of t, converting in terms of t, upon limits also will be changing it up. Limits also will be coming in terms of t. Appo this lower limit, this upper limit. N place la idu varum. 2n place la idu varum. Okay, wow. These two are not same, obviously. N na idila. 2n means what? Definitely this will be a greater quantity. N is going towards infinity. N going towards infinity means 2n also will be going towards infinity, but definitely both are different. Infinity, two infinities are not same here. Either type of infinity, either type of infinity. Is it n going towards infinity? 2n is also going towards infinity, but this is different than this. This is n, this is 2n quantity. Puri dada. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Okay. So tell me here. So you got, what is this now? Tell me here. Numerator now. Dx. Let's say this quantity, let me take it as alpha. Let me take this as beta quantity. So limits are what? Tell me now. Alpha to beta. How the function is going to be changing us? How the function will change us? Tell me. 1 is dx here. 1 into dx is what? 1 into dx is what? F dash of t. F dash of t is what? F dash of t into dt by f inverse of x is what? T cube plus t. F dash of t is what? F dash of t is what? Tell me. Is alpha to beta. F dash of t is what? 3t square minus 3t plus 1 divided by t cube plus t into dt. Alpha beta, I am taking this guy as alpha for a while. Let me take this guy as beta for a while. Okay, I don't want to write a bigger one. Let me write simply alpha beta. Okay, you got that? Oh, 2t ID. Okay, the 2t, sorry. This 2t. This 2t da. 2t plus 1. Okay, so I'll do one thing. How am I going to do here? Tell me. This alpha, this beta. 3t square plus 1 divided by t cube plus t, separately I'm writing. Minus alpha to beta. 2t divided by, again t common, t square plus 1. T cancel. Now tell me, this solve put t cube plus t is equal to p. 3t square plus 1 into dt is equal to dp. ஒரே ஒரு நிமிஷம் தான், பென் fell down. Okay, so 3, right? So 3t square plus 1 into dt numerator இருக்கு. So இது alpha to beta. So வந்து dp by p. இது என்ன ln p. Ln p alpha to beta. So ln of beta minus ln of alpha. Okay, this is what the integral of this. Okay, minus what is the integral of this? Tell me. This is simple only da. This is simple only. Nadula minus iriki 2 munadi 1 plus t square. Correct or not? 1 plus the 2 tan inverse of t basically. Is minus 2 tan inverse of minus 2 tan inverse of t. Minus 2 tan inverse of t alpha to beta. Okay, so 2 times of tan inverse of beta minus tan inverse of alpha. Okay, so I only solved everything da. So I thought of giving as homework, but I only did everything. Anyway, yes or no, tell me? Light is not understanding. Light is not understanding. Light, or a light babu, light, puridara light babu. Look at the board, everyone. Light is not understanding. Light alpha ln of beta. Beta is what? Beta means what? Sir, you took this as beta, sir. Okay, that is beta. Basically, that going towards what? That is going towards what? Dun, 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 dun. Appo n will be what? Let me write this. Okay. So here look at about everyone. You need to take alpha in terms of what now? Tell me. Alpha n is this. Alpha will be what in terms of alpha, right? N will be what? N I can write in terms of alpha. Check. In terms of alpha, let me write this. In terms of beta, I'll write. It will be easy for you then. In terms of alpha, let me write alpha cube plus alpha square plus alpha. Alpha cube, alpha square plus alpha. Then 2n is going to be what in terms of beta, right? Beta cube minus beta square plus beta. Okay. Now n 2n I got that. Okay. So here alpha definitely will be going towards what? Tell me. When n tending towards infinity, when n is going towards infinity, alpha will be definitely tending towards infinity. When n tending towards infinity, then definitely beta is also going towards infinity only. Yes, sir. N going towards infinity, definitely alpha should go towards infinity, and beta also should go towards infinity. Now tell me here, I have one doubt. Ipo paru, ln of ln a minus ln b. Ln a minus ln b. So ln of beta by alpha a minus. Idanada. Can you all see this? Yes. Let me write somewhere over here. Okay. Then the ln of beta by alpha minus 2 times of minus 2 times of tan inverse of something very big number. Tan inverse of something very big, undefined, which is 90. Check. The beta is going towards infinity. Alpha is also going towards infinity. So tan inverse of infinity is 90. 90 minus 90 is 0. It is 0, sir. This is fully 0. Now tan beta by alpha we need to. Tan beta by alpha we need to. Tan beta by alpha eppadi? Tan beta by alpha eppadi do? How do we do tan beta by alpha? So sorry, ln of beta by alpha, not. Oh my goodness. Ln of beta by alpha. Okay, let me do in the next page. Okay, ln of beta by alpha. Eppadi, sir? Ln of beta by alpha, when beta now. What is beta? Tell me. V cube plus br. Guys, something I made a mistake here. What is that? This P plus 1 dt P. Somebody who is saying, sir, substitute P value in terms of T. Substitute P value in terms of T. Yes. You put that. Yes, I got it. Something in terms of T, right? After putting that, what I'm going to get? Here, ln P. P is what here? Ln P. P is what? T cube plus T from alpha to beta. So, ln beta cube plus beta minus ln, okay, ln A minus ln B. Ln A minus ln B is what? Ln A by B. Ln A by B. So ln of what I'm going to do, tell me here. Beta cube plus beta by alpha cube plus alpha. Beta cube plus beta by alpha cube plus alpha. Tell me that too. Sir, how am I going to do this? If you solve pandra, there is one more logic. Inner logic, Chintu logic. Inner logic, Chintu logic. Beta cube plus beta. I am dividing with something now. I'll divide with this. Beta square minus beta plus beta square minus beta square. I mean beta cube minus beta square plus beta. I'll divide with that, multiply with that. Beta cube minus beta square plus beta, multiply with this. Multiply and dividing with that. Kill a denominator as it is, let me write this. Alpha cube plus alpha. Okay. Again, let me multiply and divide with what? Alpha cube. Alpha cube minus alpha square plus alpha. Alpha cube. Alpha square plus alpha. Okay. This cancel. So, multiply with this. Okay, guys. Drama panna, I am going to get something here. What am I going to get? Tell me. What am I going to get? Tell me touch into. Here, this is 1 and this is 1. Okay. So tell me here. I'll do one thing. Ln of limit n tending towards infinity. Okay, pari. This n alpha tending towards infinity means n also going towards infinity. Now tell me here. Infinity of something by limit n tending towards infinity, numerator or a degree, denominator or a degree same iranda our coefficient value. This is 1. This is 1. Correct? 1 divided by your answer also 1. Now either by then tell me. What is this? That is 2. How that is 2? This is going towards 2n. Check. This is basically 2n. Check. This is 2n. N cancel. So ln 2 is the right answer. So ln 2 means option A for Ahmedabad. A for Agra is the right answer. Any doubts? Looking very short. Looking very short. Looking very short. I'm looking very short. Chintu pari question on the romba perisa irikida. I might be looking short, but question on the romba perisa irike. If you solve pandradhukku, you need lot of manipulation skill. Okay, wow. So I took f inverse of x as t. Then after that I converted everything in terms of t. Okay, limits one the in terms of n iriki. So I'm converting in terms of t, and the t convert pandradhukage I'm taking it as alpha beta. Okay, wow. After that all the way I did this. In the p place la p in terms of t I'm writing it upper minus lower panna ipdi vandiruchu. Then upper minus lower panna tan inverse of beta na infinity, which is 90 here. 90 minus 90 0. Okay, here it is 0 here. This is 0 anyway. So let me write this as what? 90 minus 90 here. This is 0. So this is fully 0. This is 0h. This is This one I am solving here. Eppadi you are dividing with this and multiplying with this. Similarly, this one in the denominator same, you are multiplying with this and dividing with this. Idu by idu panna 1, idu by idu panna 1, ivaroda answer 2 and ivaroda answer n. Fullame cancel I 2 will be the right answer. Any doubts? Yes, yes. Okay. Next question. Chintu, this is very important. Very important. This is repeated in advance at least 3 times. Repeated at least 3 times in the past. In the model, they repeated at least 3 times. Okay, wow. They repeated this kind of model at least 3 times in the past. Everybody should do this. This is very simple. There is nothing like big in this question. Super simple da. This is basically very simple. Will you be able to do this, or you want me to do this? Will you be able to solve, or you want me to solve this? I'll give a hint. You will be able to do it or not, tell me. Shall I give a hint? I will give a hint. You need to solve it. Yes or no? Yes. Everybody look at the board. First, let me solve as per the options. Option A in option A now. S of n plus 1. S of n plus 1 minus S of n is equal to 0. Option A. So S of n is this. Appo n plus 1 eppadi? Replace n with n plus 1. For replace n plus n plus 1, what happens? If I do that, what I'm going to get, tell me here? Integral 0 to pi by 2 sine of 2n plus 1 sine of 2n plus 2 minus 1, which is 2n plus 1, divided by sine of sin x divided by sin x minus, okay, into x here as it is. S or no da? Into x. Dx minus 0 to pi by 2. Everything is correct or not? Tell me, guys. Check once. The calculation you want the nalla paakam. Yes or no? Everything is clear. King's rule vena. King vena rachintu. I don't want king here. Normally panna podunda. Okay, so I'll apply one logic here. Look at the sin c plus sin d formula. Denominators are same da. Denominator is sin x. Sin c minus sin d formula. 2 cos c plus d by 2. 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d. Check. C plus d by 2. 2n, so 4n by 2, which is 2n into x, and idu minus idu panna na 2x, correct da? 2nx and 2x. Yes or no? Tell me. I'm applying 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Yes or no da? Sin x. Oh, sin x. Sorry, kila 2 idu 2 varadu, idu 1 chuma x. Appo idu cancel ayrum. Okay va? Did you all get the point or not? Tell me, guys. Yes sir. Purinjechu sir. Ipo paaringa sir. So 0 to pi by 2 as it is. 2 times of cos 2nx. This is dx. What is this? So integrate directly pannikalama. Integrate. Let us do directly. Okay. So cos and a minus, not minus, sorry. Sin 2nx divided by 2n. Okay. Integral 0 to pi by 2. 2 cancel. So x plus let pi by 2 pota n pi. Sin n pi divided by n minus 0. So this is 0 I'm getting. Yes or no? What I'm getting? Sn plus 1 minus Sn is equal to 0. Check. Option A is matching or not? A for Agra is matching da. Sn plus 1 minus இது minus இது பண்ணா 0 வரணும். எனக்கு வந்துச்சு பாரு. 0 வருது பாரு. sin n pi by n which is 0. புரியுதா? Yes or no? Sashikala, hi Sashikala. Chintu, yes. Vijayalakshmi, option verification is time taking na sir. How can I check all the options? Vijayalakshmi அப்படிதான் பண்ணணும். ஏதோ ஒரு ஆப்ஷன் இது மெயின்ஸ் மாதிரி क्वेश्चन கிடையாது. மெயின்ஸ் லெவல் क्वेश्चंस are different, advanced level questions are different தான். நீங்க கம்பேர் பண்ண முடியாது. கண்டிப்பா advanced will take such a lot of time. Okay, that is why it is advanced. Okay, yes. Option A is kandipa correct. Sir, option A is correct. Okay. I'll do one thing. Let us copy this slide. Okay, everybody look at the board now. Option A is matching or matching too. Okay, option A is matching. Guys, I copied this slide, don't worry. I copied this slide. I copied this slide, don't worry. I'll show it to you. Technology. Yes, sir. Okay, va. Directly பண்ண முடியாது விஜயலட்சுமி, பண்ணனும். Option A is matching, sir. இப்போ option B எப்படி செக் பண்றது? How do we check the option B? Sir, I got this. இப்போ எனக்கு ஒரு டவுட் இருக்கு சார். We got this. We got as what? Sn plus 1 is equal to Sn. Okay, wow. We got this. I need to verify with the option B now. Option B verify பண்றதுக்கு என்ன எப்படி பண்றது? S2 will be equal to S3. Check. Again, S2 is what? S1 only. So S1 is equal to S3 only here. Check. S1 is equal to S2 now. S1 is equal to S3 again. So from this I can say S1 is equal to S2 is equal to S3 is equal to S4. All of this till S10 they all are 0 only. Sorry, they all are 0 only. No, they all are equal. Sorry, 0 kadaya. They all are equal. S1 is equal to S2. Then S2 is equal to S3. Then again S1 S3. S3 S4. Same thing. Everybody same. Okay, wow. They all are equal. Yes or no? What is that, sir? What is that? Okay. How many times we have that? How many times we have that? What we got basically, check. We got this. Right? Sir, fine. Nalla irukku. We got this fine. Is that equal to what? That is equal to what? Verify this now. This is equal to what? This 0 1. They have given it as 5 pi. So Sn is equal to 5 pi. Yeah. Okay. Sn is equal to 5 pi means what? Now this is equal to what basically? All these are equal to what? All of them are equal to what? Sound is, guys, am I audible da? Guys, என்னோட voice கேக்குதா? என்னோட voice கேக்குதா இல்லையா? Guys, என்னோட voice கேக்குதா இல்லையாடா? Yes, people are saying they cannot hear me. Okay, let us solve S1. What is S1? Tell me here. What is S1 da? S1 panna par 0 to S1 I'm solving it 0 to pi by 2. So sin n value 1 pota sin 1x by sin x. This cancel. So integral of 1 dx which is x. So 0 to pi by 2. So S1 is pi by 2. If S1 is pi by 2 means all of these are equal to what? Pi by 2. All of these are pi by 2. So how many times we need here? Sigma n is equal to 1 to 10a Sn. What is that? So which is pi by 2? 5 pi, right? This is 5 pi into what? S1, sum of all this, 10 into pi by 2 times, pi by 2 10 times, so 2 ones 2 5s, this is 5 pi. Option B for belle is also correct. Okay va? ஒரே ஒரு விஷயம் சார் guys, இது வந்து நீங்க செக் பண்ணடா, please check, this is also correct here, C option also correct, they have given V and A. In the same way, similarly do this, similarly check Vn plus 1 minus Vn is equal to Sn plus 1. Okay va? Similarly நீங்க அதையும் செக் பண்ணனும். So definitely this is possible. So C option also correct. Now D option I am checking. So Sn plus 1. Sir, எனக்கு ஒரு டவுட் இருக்கு சார். Sn வந்து Sn plus 1 is equal to Sn here. Sn plus 1 check. They are what? They are equal. Sn enna? Tell me pi by 2. இதையும் pi by 2. இதையும் pi by 2. Pi by 2, pi by 2, pi by 2, they are harmonic progression, yes. These are in AP, obviously. They are in AP, they are in GP, they are in HP as well. All these three people are in AP, GP, HP because they are the same da. 1, 1, 1, 1 will be in AP, GP, HP also. 2, 2, 2, 2 will be AP, GP, HP also. 3, 3, 3, 3. Same numbers will be following all progressions. Correct or not? Yes or no? Tell me. So C for Chintu also you can solve. This is you need to do da. C option on the homework. C option is a homework for you. Ninga check pananum. Okay? Hope you all are understanding what I am trying to say. Purida. Chintu, tell me, quick. Yes. Yes or no? Great. Next. Sir, this is again dangerous question, but simple question. Looks like dangerous, but very, very simple. Believe me, how simple it is, don't even ask me. This is very, very simple actually. Seriously, very simple. எப்படி சார்? சார், இந்த கொஸ்டின் பார்த்த உடனே எனக்கு ஏதோ ஒரு ஐடியா வந்துட்டு இருக்கு சார். எனக்கு ஒரு ஐடியா வந்துட்டு இருக்கு. பட் ஆக்சுவலி இங்க மைனஸ் வரும், பிளஸ் வரும், ஈக்குவல் இல்ல. நடுவுல மைனஸ். ஓகே, சார்ட் பாக்ஸ். ஓகே. எவ்ரிவன், tell me guys here. We know that everybody look at the board. We know that derivative of d by dx of f by g. F by g enna tell me? F and g are two functions da. For derivative of f by g enna? F dash of f dash into g minus f into g dash by g square. Yes or no? Tell me. Yes or no? Yes sir. Okay. Now numerator pata f dash into g minus f into g dash mari irukka illaya, but denominator la g square kedaiyadu. Question paru, இந்த numerator இப்படி இருக்கே இல்லையா பாரு. இப்போ denominator g square கொண்டு வரும். எப்படி பாரு, denominator g square we need to bring. அந்த g square கொண்டு வரதுக்கு I am doing some Chintu step here. Let us take g of x common. In the first bracket la g of x common edutha, you will get like this. Do you agree with my point? Now second bracket la g of x common edutha, what will you get? Tell me. If you take g of x common, I mean g of x whole square common I am taking. Let me take directly. Let me take g square x common. Adu veliya vandha g of x aayum. So numerator la correct? Yes or no? Minus 1. Hope you people are getting the point. Now into dx as it is. F of x into g of x minus g dash of x into f of x divided by now g of x whole square into f of x plus 1 into this. So what I am going to get? From that what are we going to get? Let us keep that as it is. Let us keep that as it is. Or not. Otherwise I'll do one thing. Okay, g square vandirche varliya. Tell me, we got g square here. Let me write this as it is. Guys, f by g plus 1 into f by g minus 1. In short, I'm writing f by g means f of x by g of x. Please consider like that. So put something as t square here. Put f by g minus 1 is equal to t square. Correct? Can we take like this? Can we take t square? If I do that, what I'm gonna get? Tell me. What I'm gonna get? Tell me. F by g means what? Tell me. F dash into g minus f into g dash by g square is equal to 2t dt. So, idenna? I have one doubt. Look at the board, everyone. This yellow color gun. Enna? The yellow color gun enna pari? Yellow color gun can be written as 2t dt. Pari. 2t dt. 2t into dt divided by idenna? Guys, f by g enna? F by g is t square plus 2. So, kill enna t square plus 2. F by g enna? T square plus 1. T square plus 1 plus 1. So, t square plus 2. Idenna? Into t. Integral. Okay, tt ushka. So, this is simple integral now, tell me. So, idenna? Root t whole square plus t square dt. This is our favorite integral. Idenna? 1 by a tan inverse of t by a puridara into plus c. So 2 into this cancel aayirunda. Appo idenna root 2 varum sir. Root 2 tan inverse of t enna. What is t here? T is basically root of f of g minus 1 by root 2 plus c. Okay, plus c. Check. They have given this as what now? Okay. Let us do one thing. In the root 2 cancel. So tan inverse of f minus g by g. Okay. Plus c. Compare with what? Tan inverse of f minus g by n into g given. Plus c can remove. So n value enada? 1. Okay. They are asking m and n. Where is m here? Where is m here? Yes or no? Oh, here root m irukku. Munadi root m irukku. Question typing mistake. Inga root m irukku. Root m into tan inverse. Root m into tan inverse. Root m into tan inverse of this. So, I think I made some mistake at root. Oh, wait. You should not cancel like this. Here, cancel panna mudiyum. This is an angle. My bad, guys. My bad. This is an angle. Cancel panna mudiyadhu paru. The root 2 tan inverse of t enna? Root f by g minus 1 by root 2. This is an angle. You should not cancel like that. Okay, I did not write that properly. Okay, yes or no? Plus c. So tell me here, root 2 as it is, tan inverse of f minus g by root 2 g plus c. Check. Okay, so compare panna. Square root of m into tan inverse of square root of f minus g by n into g plus c cancel. So n enna root 2, m enna 2. Correct ada? Oh, this whole root. Okay, this whole root. Appo n is also 2 only. N is also 2. N is also 2. M square plus n square they are asking. M square plus n square is 8. 8 is answer. 8 is answer. Yes. Vijayalakshmi, that I did not write properly. You should not cancel like that. I did not write that properly. I didn't notice that. Angle cancel panna mudiyadhu. Yes. Yes, Vijayalakshmi, that is correct. That was wrong. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, wow. 8 is the answer. Okay, m square plus n square, 8 is the answer. Check. 8 is matching. Okay, next. Another beautiful question, da. Another beautiful question. So tell me here, consider the function is this 0 to pi by 2 dx by 1 minus k into cos square x, where k belongs to 0 to 1. While which of the following is correct? Oh my goodness. Guys, we are talking about different values of k here. Let us take like this. Look at the body one. Let us say k1 is greater than k2. Let us talk about two numbers. Let us talk about two numbers, and let's say adala k1 is greater than k2. Okay, wow. Let us say k1 is greater than k2. So if k1 is greater than k2 means what are the other numbers are going to be? Okay, now we need what here? K cos square x. So multiply with cos square x on both sides. Definitely there will not be any change. Multiply with minus on both sides. Multiply பண்றப்போ கண்டிப்பா inequalities reverse ஆயிடும். எனக்கு என்ன வேணும்? Adding 1 on both sides. Add பண்றப்போ inequality stays same. Okay, reciprocal பண்ணா 1 minus k1 cos square x greater than 1 by reciprocal no first square root எடுக்கணும்டா. Square root எடுக்கணும். Square root எடுத்தா 1 minus k1 cos square x lesser than square root of 1 minus k2 cos square x. Okay, wow. Yes or no? Now tell me here, if I reciprocal this 1 minus k1 cos square x greater than 1 by 1 minus k2 cos square x, inequality change ஆயிடும். Okay, wow. Yes or no? This is what f of k. This is what f of k. Check. This is my f of k1 is greater than f of k2. Check. Do you get the point or not? This is f of k. Da. Check. When k1, see what logic I understood from this, I'll tell you. When input or input is k1 is greater than k2, then their outputs also what? Guys, when x values are increasing, when input values are increasing, output is also increasing. So it is an increasing function. What type of function it is? This is an increasing function. This is the increasing function. It is an increasing function. If k1 is greater than k2, f of k1 is greater than f of k2. So it is an increasing function. Increasing function means what? Tell me. What are the numbers I have here? Tell me what are the numbers I have here? 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4. So 1 by 4, 1 by 3, then 1 by 2. Yes or no? 3 by 4 is yes, 3 by 4. Tell me, guys. Obviously here f of 1 by 4 is lesser than 1 by 3 is lesser than 1 by 2 lesser than 3 by 4. Obviously f of 1 by 4 should be lesser than f of 1 by 3. F of 1 by 3 should be lesser than f of 1 by 2 lesser than f of 1 by 3 by 4. So which option is matching? Check. A kandipa varadu. Check. Because f of 2 lesser than f of 3 given. F of 2 is greater than f of 1 by 3. So A varadu. C varma f of 1 by 4 lesser than 1 by 2. Okay. 1 by 2 more than 3 by 4. No. C varadu. B varuma f of 1 by 4 lesser than f of 1 by 4 lesser than f of 1 by 3. 1 by 3 yes. C B for balle balle. Okay. 1 by 4 lesser than 1 by 2. 1 by 2 yes. B for balle balle. D for Delhi Baba is the right answer. Any doubt? Yes or no? Yes, 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 yes. Guys, B for balle balle. D for Delhi Baba is the right answer. Any doubt? Any doubt, guys? Tell me. Super question. Super ana question. Clear? Yes or no? Yes. B for Valle Valle and D for Delhi Baba. Okay. So yeah, that's it. They have given, guys. This is super question. This is super question. You need to try this. Try this question as a homework. So let me stop the class here. So that's it for today. And yeah. So try this. This is a good question. And this is also a very good question. And That's it. So you need to do all homework questions. I've got few more homework questions for you all. Homework. Okay, guys. Yes. So check. This is a very good question again. This is also a very good question. Okay. Try all this, and that's it for today. So guys, when you are coming for some class, you revise pani vandada kujam easier for you. Okay, wow. Straight away, if you are coming and joining the class, it will be very difficult to understand. Okay, so time 5:59. We took more than 2 hours. Okay, so 2 hours 15 minutes we took. Fine. Right. Congratulations to you all, those who have cleared the mains exam, those who have got more than 490, 450 in your boards. Congratulations to you all, and good luck for you all for your upcoming advanced exam. Today 15th, right? So 17th you have an exam. So probably, so we might not be having the classes after this. We'll try to see if we can have the class tomorrow. Okay. So, but yeah, if not, I would request every one of you to be stay calm and composed in your exam da. Niga rumba panic aga tevalada. Don't be panic mode. Don't be in a panic mode. Niga nalla relax ayiringida. What at most what happens, you will not be getting into IIT, but you still have a backup option in the form of NITs. You still can get into NITs, NIT Trichy, NIT Surathkal, NIT Warangal, NIT Nagpur, NIT Surat. There are very good NITs, top 10 NITs. Okay, so yeah, and you all have written 𝑉𝒐𝒏𝒒 exam as well. Okay, so backup option irukku, edo panic feel pannadingada, edume agadu. Just go and express yourself. Go make sure that you are reading the question, scanning the question. Try to pick up easy questions first. Don't pick up difficult questions at the moment, and don't go panic. Neenga difficult question panna, see, difficult question will be difficult even for All India rank 1. Okay, even the guy who is getting rank 1 in his advanced exam, even he feels the same. The way you are feeling, the same way he also feels. The only thing is, make sure that you are picking up the question wisely. 75% of the paper will be medium, and the medium level of questions that you choose panni, and the medium level questions that you choose panni, attend pandradhukku try pannu. So adula if you get at least 80%, okay va, still you are in a very good zone da. Okay va. So are you getting the point or not? So make sure overall I mean in the overall paper, if you score 40 to 50%, 50% kandipa ungalku nariya, I mean nalla IIT varum, 40% ku kandipa edo or IIT la edo chinna branch I mean lower branch kandipa kadaikum. Okay va, neenga chuma edo time pass panni edo exam poi edo time pass panni without solving anything inga appadi varakudadu. If you are going to the exam, try it out. But nariya students oda mentality eppadi irukuna, question paatha udane difficult ah irukum, okay enakku mudiyadhu, okay leave it, we'll go forward. Appadina skip pannadinga. So don't skip like that. Try to do as many questions as possible. Try to read all questions. You're not going to solve all questions anyway. Okay, you're not going to solve all questions anyway, because at least there are few questions. I mean, I'm telling you the trend of every year. Hopefully you will solve all the questions. Okay, again Suresh Sir is saying that don't solve all the questions. Chintu appadina kedaiyadhu. Na solradhu enna, what I'm trying to say is basically, make sure that you are choosing the questions wisely. Every year the trend how it will be, I'll tell you. So nobody will solve all the questions da. That is how the trend was as far as I've seen. Okay, even All India rank 1 will not be able to solve all the questions from all 3 subjects. It will be very difficult, that will be very rare. Okay, so in that case, choose the question wisely. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, yes. Chintu, Ennada Venu, Chintu, Naveen Chintu, tell me Chintu. Yes, that's it guys, that's it for today. So try this out, try this questions. Definitely this gonna give you a lot of boost. Okay, so and yeah, last but not least, those who are in 11th and 12th now, those who are watching all this, please do join our Telegram channel for getting regular updates. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe. That is very important. that is the least thing I could expect from my chintus as a mentor, as a JEE master for you all. The minimum thing I could expect from my chintus is what? Just tap on the subscribe button and do share it to as many people as possible. Okay, வா உங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் கிட்ட ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கடா and உங்க ஜூனியர்ஸ் கிட்ட ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கடா. அவங்கயும் you just this advance, okay வா. Make sure that you are sharing it to as many people as possible. So good luck to you all. If you have a session again, we will try to motivate you again in tomorrow's class. If you don't have, that's it for today. And I wish once again good luck for you all. God bless you all. Love you all. Go and express yourself. Enjoy the question paper. Okay. So that's it for today. We'll meet you with another session. Until then, tada bye bye. Good night. Have a nice day. Love you all.